Welcome to Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube. Today, we are at Little Richard's Barbecue. I love barbecue, and I can't wait to go eat here. Come along and eat with us. Come on, let's go. Oh, what a fun place to come eat. Behind our table was this cool painting of North Carolina. And if you look right about here, that's where Little Richard's is, Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Now, who wouldn't want to come eat in a place like this? Eat Mo Pig. Let's take a gander at the menu here. Look at all this stuff you can get. Sandwiches, appetizers, salads, burgers, hot wings, plates. If you can't find it on this menu, you can't find it. All right, now I ordered the Cowboy burger. I'm ready. I got my cowboy boots, and I'm ready for it. Now, when this burger comes out, I bet it has spurs on. We'll see. Now, keep them germs away. Wash your hands before you eat. Wow. Look at that. That's a burger. I mean, this thing's so big they had to stake it together with this great big giant steak here. And later on, toothpick. All right, see here, we got you a fun, and look at all this meat. Now, the only thing you can do better than have meat is put meat on top of meat. So we got meat, cheese, and meat. Okay, the only thing that would be better is just to have another meat. Oh, but this also comes with their famous Little Richard's barbecue sauce. So we're gonna put some of this on here. Before I'm done, this thing's gonna be running down my chin. But that's all right. It'll be worth it. All right, here we go. Oh my. That may be some of the tenderest brisket I've ever had in my entire life. It goes perfectly with the burger. Can you have anything better than meat on meat? And I believe that is bacon. So now we have meat on meat on meat. I think I'm in carnivore heaven. Oh. Hey guys, if you ever come to Little Richard's, you have to ask for Maddie. She's the best server here. This is her right here. Yes. Tell me, this is something I gotta know. What is the biggest party that you ever remember coming here?
About 70 people or so. It was upstairs, filled up the whole dining room. But we only had 2 servers on it, so it worked out pretty good then. 70 people ordering food.
70 people?
Yes.
I can imagine that was a lot of money. All right, you can see what's left of my burger. I made a happy plate, and I'm very happy. Now, my burger didn't have a hat. It didn't have boots, it didn't have spurs, it didn't have a rope, and it wasn't riding a horse. But that burger would fill up any cowboy out there. I tell you what, I'm full right now. If you ever come to Little Richard's, I definitely recommend the Cowboy burger. You won't go wrong. Meat on meat on meat. My. If you're gonna pick one thing off the menu to eat, what would you pick?
I'd say the beef brisket or the ribs. Those are my top 2 favorite. And the brisket is the most popular too, I would say.
Now, was the brisket what was on top of my Cowboy burger?
Yes, sir.
That is the tenderest brisket ever.
Oh my gosh.
Brisket.
So good. They do it so well. You
cannot come to a barbecue restaurant without ordering banana pudding. I actually think it's a law. It's a law here in North Carolina. You have to order banana pudding when you come to a barbecue restaurant.
And it is a crime if you do not get this banana pudding.
And I don't want to break the law, so I ordered it. Tell it's real banana pudding. Check that out right there. Real banana. All right, we're going in for our first bite. We get a little bit of everything. Here we go. Oh wait, I gotta find a banana down here. Oh, got it. Hold on. I need at least one more bite to tell you what it's like. Wow. 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 Banana pudding. Order it when you come here. It's the law. So tell me, what do you think is probably the most popular dish that people order?
I would say the chopped barbecue plate is number one. That's like the main thing most people get every day. Chopped barbecue plate with the 2 sides, or the barbecue sandwiches.
As stated in the North Carolina law, Section 29, subparagraph 3, you must order and completely finish banana pudding when coming to a barbecue restaurant. I have fulfilled the full requirements of the law. Empty bowl of banana pudding. Yes, yes.
If you come to Little Richard's here in Winston-Salem and you don't get the banana pudding, it is a crime.
All right, guys, let me remind you, if you're not a subscriber to our channel, click that subscribe button. Also, click that notification bell, because you'll never know when we might be in your area and you want to know when that video is going to come up. Also, hit that like button. It really helps our channel out. And give us some comments down below. Let us know where we need to come. Is there a better banana pudding than this one? I want to try it. So tell me where it is. All right, until next time, we'll see ya.